Your comment on a drawing shouldn't live in a PDF. Samurai Gen Drawing Review. Redline the sheet itself. Inside Revit, inside the model. Today, a drawing review leaves the model as a PDF. It comes back marked up, and the author hunts for every spot. Drawing review keeps all of it on the sheet in the model. Every review starts with a round. Samurai Gen tab, Coordination panel, Drawing Review. It opens empty. No review rounds in this model yet. New round. Give it a name, point it at whoever owns the drawings, and create it. A round can live in two places. Inside the model, where it travels with every synchronise, or as BCF files in a folder. Pointed at a folder, and existing BCF issues load straight in. Round names, comments, and marks, all of it. Now the part that matters. Mark up active drawing, and a palette follows you onto the sheet. Navigate hands and mouse back to Revit. Pin, line, polyline, box, circle, and revision cloud. Text with an arrow and numbered items. 7 colors, 2 size sliders. Cloud the area schedule, then drop a note beside it. Every mark you draw joins the same comment until you press New Comment. The red lines are anchored to the drawing. Zoom or pan, they stay put. One comment, as many marks as it takes. New comment starts a fresh one. Circle the dimension you're questioning. Add an arrow and type what you mean. Back in the window, every comment is numbered and listed under its drawing. Your text becomes the summary, and you assign it. The palette stays live, and every mark lands in the comment you're on. Undo, redo, clear, and move all to shift the whole set together. Copy a mark and paste it wherever it's needed again. Same note, second view, nothing redrawn by hand. Sheets and views, all of them. Elevations, box the dimension, arrow it, and tell the author to check it against the DCR. Area plans, cloud the block that's wrong and say so right where it happens. 3D views placed on sheets work the same way. Cloud the balcony and mark it. 12 comments across 6 drawings, all in one round. Save, and the round is in the model. Then it's the author's turn. Click a comment, and Revit opens that sheet and zooms to the mark. No hunting, no page numbers. Every comment carries a status and a reply thread. Open while it stands. Responded when the author answers. Closed when it's agreed. Work down the list, drawing by drawing, until each one is signed off. The whole round in one window. And one last thing. Place on sheet turns the red line into real Revit annotation. The cloud, the arrow, and the text become detail lines and a text note. Selectable, editable. Before you send a round back, 3 things. Every comment has a summary someone else can read. Every comment has an owner. Nothing left open by accident. Drawing review is free. No license, no trial. Comment and share the post, then leave your email. I'll send you the link and everything else Samurai Gen does. Samurai Gen. Build smarter.